I will be showing you how to wash your hands. Step 1. Turn on water faucet. Step 2. Rinse hands. Step 3. Grab soap. Step 4. Lather hands with soap for a minimum of 20 seconds. Step 5. Rinse hands. Step 6. Get towel. 1 for turning off faucet and 1 for drying hands. Step 7. Dry hands. How to use 3-compartment sink in food service. Step 1. Soak dishes in soap water. Step 2. Rinse dishes. Step 3. Soak dishes in sanitizer for given amount of time and dry them. How to use dishwasher. Step 1. Rinse dishes, though this one I rinsed before we started recording. Step 2. Put dishes in dishwasher, but this one is different being a cookie sheet. I put it in diagonally. Step 3. Close dishwasher. Step 4. Wait patiently until it says rinse. Now step 5. I did not finish step 5 on camera because I was having trouble getting it out of the dishwasher because I should have had 2 dry towels instead. Anyway, on step 5 you grab a dry towel and you pull out the dishes. It normally looks like the dishes on the left, but I was doing a cookie sheet. Well, there you go. You should be able to wash your hands, and somewhat understand how to use the 3-compartment sink, and the dishwasher.